How's it going, everyone? I'm Will O'Malley, and today we're going to talk about drone technology in Rwanda. So, what is drone technology? Drones are unmanned vehicles operated by an individual in a separate location. They could be down the road or they could be across the globe. The most common form of drones fly, but they aren't necessarily exclusive to that. Some drones can have wheels, some drones can be on the water like boats. And drones are essentially a much more complicated and immersive version of a RC vehicle. Who's using drones? Rwanda is actually an African country that was ravaged by a civil war in the early 1990s. And as a result, their infrastructure is still being developed, and that even includes roads and other things like that. So Zipline is a California-based company out of San Francisco, and they operate in Rwanda as well as Ghana, and they use their drones for medical purposes. Why is Rwanda using drones? Zipline uses drones in Rwanda so that blood can be transported quickly without interruption. And for citizen more rural areas, that is the difference between 2 to 3 hours instead of 2 to 3 plus days for blood delivery. When are drones being used? The drone infrastructure is up and running as we speak. It has been since 2016 in both Rwanda and Ghana. Zipline has shown no interest in stopping this work, and they actually hope to expand more throughout Africa, allowing other countries to help each other and also be involved in the program. Where is this being used? Zipline has two locations in Niabaye, which is in the southern province, and Kazona, which is in the eastern province. And how drone technology applies to business. So Zipline is actually a billion-dollar company right now. Drones have the ability to generate massive amounts of money for these businesses, anyone that delivers, anyone in that general sector. And specifically, the costs that drones can cut are fuel, labor, and time opportunity. And that being said, even though drones are very beneficial, we could begin to see some delivery roles being replaced by drones in the coming years as it becomes less expensive to use drones instead of people.